Are you looking for high-quality string inverters for your utility-scale systems that offer design flexibility and fast commissioning? Introducing the latest addition to our portfolio of three-phase string inverters, the Conext CL125. Designing 1500-volt PV systems with string inverters has never been easier. With CL125, you can create flexible block sizes up to 5 megawatts in centralized or decentralized architecture. With CL125's wireless Bluetooth connection, you can configure, monitor, and upgrade inverter firmware on the go from any smartphone or tablet, saving you time and money during commissioning. Additionally, the CL125 is easy to service for the convenience of plant operators. Designed to Schneider Electric's stringent reliability and quality standards, the CL125 improves system availability for your power plants. The CL125 provides full rated power up to 50 degrees Celsius, allowing greater power production even in the hottest climates. Combined with an industry-leading peak efficiency at 98.8% and a wide MPPT range, the CL125 maximizes energy yield from your PV array. Schneider Electric is the global leader in digital transformation of energy management and automation. As a part of its portfolio, the CL125 is offered as a turnkey solution with Schneider Electric's other equipment, such as transformers and switchgears. Choose Schneider Electric's Conext CL125 for your next PV project to enjoy ultimate design flexibility, fast commissioning, and maximum return on investment.